Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? Today, we are going to see how the coming week is going to be for you. So, we have three options over here. Option number one is wealth, option number two is happiness, and option number three is success. You can choose any option that you're drawn towards. In case if you're confused, you can take three pieces of paper, write in each piece of paper one pile number, and just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the coming week is going to be for me. Pick up any one piece of paper, whatever pile number comes, that's going to be your piece, your pile. I also have date of birth, so I'll just randomly shuffle date of birth and I'm going to keep it randomly. Okay, so if your date of birth is 21 to 31, then you can see pile number 1. If your date of birth is 1 to 10, that are these numbers, you can see pile number 2. And if your date of birth is 11 to 20, you can see pile number 3. So you can also use this method as well. So let's get started with how your week is going to be. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? So if you've chosen this beautiful pile because of the wealth card or your date of birth, or maybe you were drawn towards it, let's see how your week is going to be. So you have chosen the wealth card. So definitely matters related to money is going to be of importance. You're also going to focus on your health and other aspects of your life. You're going to ensure that there is enrichment in terms of quality of life as well. That's going to be your goal in this coming week. Let's see, beginning of the week, mid of the week, end of the week. I feel that there is some issues going on with a mother figure, maybe mother or mother-in-law, or maybe an elder sister or a sister-in-law, but there is definitely an issue with somebody who is elder to you. And sorry, the memory was full. So now let's see how your week is going to be. Okay, the first card that you have got is the Six of Swords, which means you are going to move from worse times to better times. So you're going to be in between. Some of you may travel or make travel plans. You may visit a place which gives you peace. But definitely the beginning of the week, you're going to leave problems behind and move towards better times. You will get support as well in the beginning of the week. The mid of the week, you have got the Knight of Swords, which means you are going to go ahead. There may be an element of rashness involved, so you need to be careful. Do not drive or walk rashly, or do not break rules. At the same time, with this card, I feel somebody young and restless is going to kind of create this spur in your life. So be calm and handle them gently. The end of the week, you have got the Strength card, which means you are going to focus on healing yourself, on tapping into your inner strength and authority, so that you can move ahead with more perseverance, with more courage as well. So definitely I feel that now when I look at this card, I can clearly see a story out here. You're going to move from troubled times at a fast speed, like the Knight of Swords, and the speed is going to be so fast that you are going to reach that position of strength. Okay, inner strength, outer strength as well. Now let's see what your tea leaf cards are going to tell us. Okay. You got Tower, solid foundation, success with efforts. So definitely you are going to create something and you're going to start something like, you know, with this Six of Swords and move towards like a very solid success. Okay, and this effort that you're going to take throughout this week is going to lead to a very solid success. Okay, you got situation in the balance that requires careful handling. So whatever needs to handle with care, ensure that you handle it with care and not with rashness, okay? Because that's not going to help you in any way. So ensure that you are carefully contemplating, arriving with informed decisions and then going ahead. All right, now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, group 1, and let me spin the wheel for you. So you got between jackpot and maybe. All right, so in order for you to receive the jackpot, you have to take in efforts, right decisions, and you need to believe and have faith. And that maybe will go completely into the jackpot and not hang in between. All right, group 1, take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. Have a great week ahead. Bye bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. If you have chosen this pile because of the happiness card, your date of birth, or you were drawn towards this pile, this is your reading. So this week you're going to focus on self-care, putting yourself first, and you're going to focus on your emotional well-being. Let's see how your week looks ahead. Beginning of the week, mid of the week, end of the week. Okay, let's see them one by one. The beginning of the week, you have got the 7 of Swords. So be very careful and vigilant. Do not let anybody trick or manipulate you. Take care of your belongings and don't let anybody kind of take things away from you. Also, somebody may try to manipulate you. Do not fall into that trap. And you yourself follow the right path. The mid of the week, you have got the Sun card, which means there's going to be abundance, creativity, joy, playfulness, and happy times. You are going to feel all bright and full of energy in the mid of the week. Some of you may travel or make travel plans. You're going to feel very playful as well. The end of the week, you got 4 of Swords. So after this outburst of energy during the weekend with the 4 of Swords, you're going to heal, sleep, rest, and rejuvenate. All right, some of you may visit a doctor or an alternate therapist. You may also visit someone who can heal you as well. All right, you got 2 sword cards, which means practical aspects, communication, clarity is going to be of focus. All right, so when I look at your cards over here, it looks like you someone may try to take something from you. However, the divine will kind of help you, and you will be able to safeguard at least most of it that was taken away from you, and you're going to be more careful as well at the end, is the story that I'm getting. Now let's see what your tea leaf cards are going to tell us. I'll take these 2 cards. You've got vacation, so with the Sun card and the 4 of Swords, I'm not surprised. Some of you may just take a break from your routine and you'll be like, you know what, I'll just relax. You got Clubs. Someone will try to make you do something against your will. So with the 7 of Swords cards, I am really not surprised with this. So ensure that nobody is forcing you to do something which you do not agree with ethically or morally. All right, follow your moral compass and don't let anybody trick you or manipulate you. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, group 2, and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got yes. So whatever you asked for, The answer is a yes. Alright, group 2, I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel, and all the links are given in the pinned comment. Have a look at it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. If you've chosen this card, this pile, because of the card success, or because of your date of birth, or because of this tarot deck, here is your reading. So this week you're really going to focus on meeting your deadlines, giving your 100%, finishing all the pending tasks, and you're going to avoid procrastination. Let's see. Beginning of the week, mid of the week, end of the week. Okay. Beginning of the week, you got the World card. Interestingly, success and the World card resonates with each other. So definitely in the beginning of the week, you're going to come a full circle. There's going to be completion, success, celebration as well. Some of you may travel or make travel plans, but definitely there will be celebration as well. The middle of the week, you got Six of Cups card. So it's going to be all about kindness and nostalgia. Some of you may reconnect with an old friend. Some of you may visit a place where you have done your schooling or where you were from. Some of you may visit the old pictures, the old memories. Nostalgia is going to be of focus. You're also going to be very kind to others as well. Friendships are going to be of focus in the mid of the week. Wow, group 3, the end of the week, you have got the Sun card. So you got two major arcana cards, group 3, the World and the Sun card, which means that this week is going to be very, very important, and there is going to be a positive transformation. All right. So the Sun card, so with the World and the Sun card, I feel very strongly that you are going to either travel or make travel plans. With the Sun card, you're going to have fun with your friends and family. You're going to be playful. You will be celebrating and enjoying the time, good food and everything. Creativity is going to be very high. You're going to be extremely creative. You're going to be full of energy during the weekend. You're going to create something new. You're going to do something different as well. So creativity, abundance, playfulness, travel plans is going to be a focus at the end of the week. So the story that I can see is you're going to really complete something and be so happy about this success. You're going to share your blessings with someone as well, and that blessing is going to further multiply your blessings. Now let's see what your tea leaf cards are going to tell us. Take this and this. You have got over here forces working against you. So there would be, so when you're going to achieve all these amazing things, ensure that you're shielding and protecting yourself, so that even if some forces are working against you, they're not going to have any impact on you. All right. Oh my God, take care, enemies are working against you. So when you are having a great time, ensure that you are not showing off too much. All right. There is a session on, you can just check my playlist. Okay, there will be a live session, or there's a protection and shielding session that I have done. Have a look at it. You can go through it, in which I've given many methods of protecting and shielding yourself. You can follow that as well. Okay, there's a playlist on protection as well. So don't worry, even if forces are working against you, you are going to have a great week ahead. Just ensure that you are vigilant as well. All right, now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us, group 3. Think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got soon. So whatever it is, things are going to work in your favor soon. Alright, group 3, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel if you are guided. And I'm there on Instagram, I'm there on WhatsApp broadcast as well. All the links are in the pinned comment. Have a look at it. Take care. Bye bye.